For this reflection, I observed two lessons, one in-person reading lesson and one online math lesson. Both lessons connected to InTask Standard 3 because they showed how teachers can create learning environments that support collaboration, engagement, positive interaction, and student motivation. In the first video, the teacher began by reviewing classroom agreements before starting the reading lesson. Students were reminded to listen when someone is speaking, work together, collaborate with partners, and help each other. This helped create a respectful classroom environment where students understood what was expected of them. The teacher also gave them choices by allowing them to select books at their own reading level and choose between physical books or digital books on the iPad. I think this supported individual learning because students were able to work at a level that fit their needs. It also encouraged independence because students had to choose a book, read it, and use resources like dictionaries or online tools to understand unfamiliar words. If I were the teacher, I would add more structured opportunities for students to share after reading. For example, students could do a think, pair, share, where they explain the main idea of their book to a partner before discussing it with the class. This would also help students practice communication skills and allow more students to participate. I would also use an exit ticket where students write or say the main idea of their story before moving on. This would help me check for understanding while still keeping the classroom positive and supportive. In the second video, the online math lesson also demonstrated InTask Standard 3. The teacher created a welcoming environment by greeting students, using humor, giving compliments, and encouraging students to participate through the chat, hand raising, and verbal responses. The teacher also noticed when some students had already spoken a lot and invited others to share, which helped create a more balanced classroom community. Students were learning about estimating and measuring angles, and the teacher used interactive online tools, movement, and questions to keep students engaged. I also noticed that the teacher created or encouraged a growth mindset by reminding students that they get better with practice. At the end of the lesson, students reflected on how they felt about estimating and measuring angles. And the teacher reminded them that everyone has different strengths and weaknesses. This supported a positive classroom climate because students were not expected to be perfect right away. If I were the teacher, I would improve the online lesson by giving students a little more structured partner or small group time, maybe in breakout rooms so they could practice using the online protractor together. I would also give students a quick checklist or visual reminder of the steps for measuring an angle. This would support students who may need extra guidance and would help them feel more confident. Overall, both lessons showed the importance of creating a classroom environment where students feel respected, supported, and encouraged to participate. Both teachers used expectations, student choice, technology, and positive interactions to support learning. With a little more structure for collaboration and reflection, both lessons could become even stronger examples of InTask Standard 3.